Hello, in this video, I will be guiding you through the correct authorized process if you need a CrowdStrike supported file removed from a device, focusing on working through IT and the vendor so the system remains secure. And first, you do not attempt to delete or tamper with CrowdStrike files yourself. You must contact your IT or the security team. Next, you must provide IT with the device details and the specific file path and reason for removal. For example, a false positive removal request. And after that, IT will either perform the removal using approved tools and procedures or escalate to CrowdStrike support who can advise or provide a remediation script executed by authorized personnel. Then, ensure the action is lagged in your ticketing system and that a scan or verification is performed to confirm no protection gaps remain. Finally, close the ticket only after IT confirms the file was removed via authorized method and normal protection policies are restored. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching and listening. And I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.